Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all golden acorns in Squirrel with a gun step by step. Start by finishing the opening chapter to unlock the acorn map and basic movement upgrades, then systematically sweep each area for visible golden acorns. Prioritize reachable acorns first, upgrade double jump and dash, and mark blocked paths to revisit. Keep a steady pace, listen for audio cues, and save often so you do not miss any collectibles. Equip movement and pickup upgrades early to expand reach and cut down backtracking, and keep combat upgrades on hand for riskier rooms. Use the acorn map to track collected versus remaining acorns in each area, and flag subzones that require later gear. Practice platforming routes in safe spots to perfect timing, and swap loadouts based on whether a room is combat-heavy or platform-focused to maintain momentum while collecting. If you are finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more concise guides. Quick recommendation. I noticed a pair on my shelf and had to share. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Link and deals are in the description for convenience. I appreciate the support, and now let's get back to the video. Hidden golden acorns often hide behind destructible walls or in secret vertical shafts, so keep an ear out for distinct audio hints and use breakable attacks when suspicious. Inspect level art for visual hints like cracks or faint glows that suggest secret rooms, and revisit earlier zones once you have double jump or dash. Maintain a checklist per area, and clear each subzone completely before moving on to reduce repeat runs and ensure full completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.